Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locating the serial and MA/made. Open Settings General About. This proves exact device identity. Once done, charge to at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so checks run quickly, and make sure iOS updates if available. You will also need the Apple ID that set up the phone or the original receipt. These let you verify activation lock and warranty status. Do this now so all verification steps later are accurate and fast. You now run detailed checks. Compare the model code in settings with Apple's original model list to confirm the chassis type. Then enter the MA on Apple's coverage lookup to view warranty, purchase date, and whether it's an Apple refurbished unit. This explains why status may differ. You should also inspect hardware, look for mismatched screws, uneven screen gaps, or camera misalignment, because third-party repairs leave visual clues. Together, these software and hardware checks separate genuine refurbished units from used or repaired phones. You finish by confirming activation lock and battery health. Open Settings Battery Health to see maximum capacity and whether service is recommended. Once done, cross-reference the serial/MA with Apple support if warranty or refurbishment status is unclear. Phone, chat, or an Apple Store visit will get definitive answers. If the device shows inconsistent data or signs of non-OEM parts, make sure to request documentation from the seller. Troubleshooting tip: if online lookup returns no results,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.